Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Banao Bharat's Thursday expiry live session. Second expiry of this month and of this calendar year. You can see we are about 3 hours into the trade now, and Nifty as well as Bank Nifty both are trading weaker. Nifty opened at around 18,000 levels, went up to 17,840, and now slightly making a comeback and making one genuine pullback to 17,894. Nifty currently trading at 17,894. Let us see what's happening on the Bank Nifty chart. Well, opened at 42,500 levels. From there on, very quickly came down to 42,010 and spent some time here for last 1.5 hours. It has spent on the lower side of the range and now trying to go back and making one genuine pullback attempt at 42,141. So both Nifty and Bank Nifty are on the expiry cycle now. Let us see the expiry chart of Nifty. Nifty expiry is on the weekly time frame. It has broken the downward levels of 17,872. Probably from here on it might give one small pullback, and then by the end of the day it might again go down. Also, today being an expiry day, it is all the more good to watch options data. What the options data is saying, where is the open interest building up, where is the open interest getting closed, whether any short covering is happening in what strike price the short covering is happening, or at what strike price the shorting of options are taking place. So these are the options data that you should always watch. Options data tells you a lot, especially on a day like this, that being the expiry. So options data is very much relevant to watch. Your PCR analysis, put call ratio analysis is very important on a expiry day. That will very clearly tell you where is the range for that particular day, how far the Nifty or Bank Nifty can go down or go up, and then where there might be actual some real buying strength or selling weaknesses. So you need to, on a expiry day, you need to watch the options data. Well, this is the chart of Nifty now on the weekly settlement. 17,895 has a selling pressure building up at 17,872. It has just touched 17,872, went up to 840, and from there on it is making one small pullback. Maybe this may not get sustained and it might again start going down. We need to wait and watch. Okay, so this is with respect to the Nifty weekly settlement chart. Bank Nifty weekly settlement chart. Well, you can see there is a conflicting signals developing in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has a very good support at 42,050 levels. From there on it might get built up on the long side, but Nifty on 17,972 it might go short. So it depends on who is doing well today, whether banking index stocks or the Nifty general stocks. We will quickly look into some of the intraday patterns in some of the heavyweights like Reliance. Has been going down from 2,545. It has started and now quoting at 2,492. You can see Reliance has been in a very good downtrend for last 2 days. Whole of Tuesday and Wednesday it was in the downtrend, and today it is no different. It is just continuously going without making any new levels at all. This is Reliance intraday chart. Quite weak. Will it make a bounce back from here? We don't know, but we may have to be prepared for the bounce back and once again enter into the short trade at the lower levels. This is Hindustan Lever. Hindustan Lever also has been slightly on the inverted U-shape movement. You could see, like, Monday it was in the uptrend, Tuesday also it was in the uptrend, Wednesday it gave up all the gains, and today it went little further down, came to the lows of Mondays, and now making a pullback. Hindustan Lever also on the pullback from the downtrend. We will see HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank, not much movement here. This is the intraday chart of HDFC Bank. Was down since Monday afternoon till yesterday morning. Yesterday we could see some pullback, and today it is trading towards the highs of the pullback, and it is trading almost flat. This is the chart of HDFC Bank. ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank also from Monday afternoon has been falling consistently, but yesterday we could see some amount of pullback, and again today it is giving up all the gains. This is the chart of ICICI Bank, trading currently at 862. Today in the morning opened at 871, went as low as 860, and now trading towards the low of 862. Well, we will see into ONGC. ONGC, you can say from Tuesday there is relentless fall in the stock. Tuesday it made a high of 150, and today it opened at 148 and now trading at 146, almost 3 to 4% down since last 2 days, making new lows now. Let us see Hindustan Petroleum. Very good movement from Tuesday afternoon until yesterday evening, and today showing some lower pressure at 250 now. Watch out for 248 levels. If you see 248, then it's a sell on Hind Petro. This is the chart of BPCL on an intraday time frame. Very similar to Hind Petro, made a high of 351. From there on it is giving up all the gains, now quoting at 347 towards the day's low. Opened in the morning at 354 and now quoting at 347. IOC also opened lower. Yesterday's high was 84.2. Today lower high has been formed, 83.85. From there on it is going down, but the reversal levels are quite far off. Reversal levels are little away for all of these stocks which have started falling down since yesterday afternoon or since today morning. Let us see some steel stocks also. Jindal Steel, nothing much happening here. 604, currently trading at 604. Very uneven and erratic movement, not much volumes also, so let us stay away from that. JSW Steel is fairly okay, quoting at 759, was quoting at 735 on Jan 10th. From there on it is making a good pullback and staying towards the day's high 762. Well, this can be some defense buying. Watch out for 762 levels. Tata Group, Tata Chemicals is now trading at 976. Tata Communication is currently trading at 1407 towards the day's low. Had been or opened at around 1432 today, but from there on it is quickly given up all the gains. It is in the uptrend since the beginning of the week. You can see since the beginning of the week it was around 1334 was the low on Monday. From there on it has been consistently going higher. Yesterday with big volumes and big candles there has been a good breakout, and today it is taking a breather. Watch out for again the yesterday's high levels of 1432. If it crosses 1432, then you are in for very good uptrend at 1432. Tata Consumers, well, it has made a high of 765 today on the intraday time frame, went down to 758, and from there on made some slight pullback, again given up all the gains, and at 757 it is going further down. This is the chart of Tata Consumers. 241 755. Tata Motors, well, very uneven movement, or you can see, yes, this is better. You can see more of red from the start of the day. Yesterday high 421.30, today high 421.40. From there on, continuous downfall. This chart is going to new lows, 413 now. Let us see what's happening on the daily time frame. Well, it had made a pullback from the lows of 376. It went as high as 421. It didn't carry out, or it didn't take out the 430 levels. From there on, today, after several days of pullback, today it has started falling. Probably there is more fall to come in this particular stock. Watch out for Tata Motors on a daily time frame. It might be headed towards 380 levels. It is just today it has given up all the gains. Today if it closes in the negative, and today if it closes with the red candle, then probably some more downward momentum can be built up in this particular stock. And this is the chart of Tata Motors, currently trading at 413 on a daily time frame towards the day's low. Well, might be headed towards 380 levels again. Tata Power on a daily time frame, from the lows of 194 went up to 212, again coming down slightly. Maybe from here on it might spend some time here, and then may again try to go above 212 for the next levels of 231. Let us see what's happening on the TCS. This was the results day candle, 3515. It came down on that very particular day itself, but from there on every day it has been slowly trading on the higher side. Today on an intraday time frame, you can see there is some amount of selling pressure. If it falls below 33.31, or if it goes to 33.64, there is a resistance at 33.64 also. Tech Mahindra also looking weak at 1007.75 and also at the resistance of 1021. We will once again look into the Bank Nifty chart, currently trading at 42,100. This is Bank Nifty currently at 42,105. Fairly low volumes as well as low price action. Today not much happening on the Bank Nifty charts intraday. Nifty also has actually cut the reversal levels on the intraday time frame. Also it has cut the intraday sell at 17,890. From there on it has gone to 17,840, but now making a pullback. Maybe this pullback may not get sustained. Just watch out for new price action. Today being a settlement day, it is better we check what's happening on the options data also. I'm just checking the options data now. I'm checking the open interest buildups. Until 17,900 market may not cross. As of now, the way it looks like from the options data, market may not cross 17,900 levels on the Nifty chart. And on the Bank Nifty, the 42,000 is the level to watch out for. So two levels to watch out for on a intraday time frame, on a settlement day, on a Thursday morning. Keep two levels in mind for Nifty. The level is, watch out for 17,900. It may not cross 17,900 levels. one, and two, on the bank nifty chart it may not cross 42,000 on the spot. This is the chart what that we are seeing is the futures chart currently trading at 42,100. Let us see the bank nifty spot chart, now currently trading at 41,950. it may not cross 42,000, not very sure, but looks like it is a day for the indexes to be on the lower side. Selling pressure is definitely there at 42,000. Calls have been built up at 42,000, so you can be fairly if you are a call writer, then you can sell the 42,000 call for whatever the premium that is available now. Let me just check. The 42,000 call premium is currently available at 86 rupees. So you have a stop loss of 88 also, which is up to 42,100. you can keep the stop loss of 42,100 and you can go short on the 42,000 call, because that is where the open interest is now. And on the nifty options at 17,900, currently not much price available. 17,900 call is currently trading only at just 11 rupees. So you have a about, you can say, 20 rupees stop loss, but you might get only 10 rupees return when you do the option writing. Instead, I would say you can go ahead and buy the 17,800 call, 17,800 put, which is now quoting at 28 rupees. For a 28 rupees risk, the potential will be unlimited. 17,800 put is now currently quoting at 28 rupees, has made a high of 50, and from there on, if it crosses once again 50, then you can see very good returns today by 3:30. So today's expiry trade would be buying 17,800 put at 28 rupees. Let us see how the day pans out by the end of the day. My opinion on today's nifty is it is going to be weak and it is going to stay low below 17,900. So that is today's views. In case you are liking the content, if you are liking the formats of what we are showing on the charts and its analysis, do subscribe to the channel Banao Bharat. Do join for the Trading for Living program. Do join for the mentorship program as well, and become a efficient, independent, successful trader. We will once again meet tomorrow morning. Until then, Om Swasti.